Hey, what? Go, Levi!
Let's go, Adam. Good, you're up an advantage, you're up an advantage. Stay tight on the grips. No, no, no. Keep turning with him, keep turning with him, yes. Step, go. Good job. Bring those hips down, your hips are high, bring those hips down. Hips down, Adam, hips down. Sprawl. Beautiful, you got your pass. You're up 3. Stay calm, stay calm. Cut the knee again, cut the knee. There you go. You're up 7, you're up 7.
Audrey Drew, Sarah Waller. Please come to the medal podium with your ID.
Stay tight, pull the head and the arm.
Sarah Waller, please come to the medal podium with your ID.
Osa.
Jump, 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 jump. Okay, let's go.